పశ్చిమ బెంగాల్ మాజీ సీఎం టీఎంసీ నేత మమతా బెనర్జీ మాట్లాడుతున్నారు. చూద్దాం.
ব্ল্যাক হিস্ট্রি তৈরি করেছেন ইন্ডিয়ান ডেমোক্রেসিতে। স্যাড টু সে, সিইসি became the villain of this election to loot the democratic rights of the people and to loot the EVM machine. Can you tell me that after voting EVM machine, 80 to 95% is the charge? How it is possible? Before 2 days of election, by please, আপনারা একটু কথা কম বলুন। Before 2 days of election, they started arresting our people like anything. They started raid in everywhere, and they changed all the IC to OC to SDO to DM to IPS, all IPS, IS, WBCS, WBPS, all they change. And they selected from their party, and BJP play the game directly with the election commission. It's a betting, you can say, the got up betting between BJP and the election commission. We fought against the all machinery where Prime Minister and Home Minister is also involved. Directly interference. SIR, they deleted 90 lakhs name from the voter list. And when we went to court adjudication, 32 lakhs were included. But do you know that after that, the 7 lakhs what was deposited together, that is also included? But nobody knows that. So how they play the dirty, nasty and mischievous games. I have never seen this type of election in my life. From the beginning, in my student life, I have seen so many elections. Even 2004 also, when I was only alone, there also I have not seen this type of atrocities. When we are student, we came to know 1972 72 সন্ত্রাস, কিন্তু আমরা নিজেরা চোখে দেখিনি, তাই আমি বলতে পারবো না। কিন্তু এই সন্ত্রাস সব সন্ত্রাসকে ছাড়িয়ে গেছে। These atrocities is atrocious, terrible. I am grateful to all my India team's leader. Sonia ji rang up me, Rahul Gandhi rang up me, Arvind Kejriwal, Uddhav Thackeray, Akhilesh Yadav, Tejoshi, Hemant Soren Yadav, Jharkhand Chief Minister, all the allies of United India Alliance, Indian Alliance, they said we are totally, absolutely with you. I think our solidarity will be united and strong for the next days. Akhilesh requested me to come today itself, but I said you come better tomorrow. So he's coming tomorrow, and one by one everybody will come. And then I told you that my target is very clear. I will strengthen the India team just like a small person. And now I don't have any chair, so I am a commoner. So you cannot tell me that I am using your chair. I am now free bird. I gave full life for service to the people. Even these 15 years, I have not withdrawn 1 paisa of pension, or I have not taken 1 paisa of salary also. But now I am free bird. So I have to do some work that I will manage to do it. And our party will see, they started torturing all of our people. Even scheduled caste, scheduled tribes, they are not spared. One little girl is working with me, scheduled caste family. Her family was ground from last night. She is having one daughter, they have their daughter-in-law, newly married. BJP said we will rape you. And her grandma is about 92 years old. She became ill, but they are not allowed to take water, even drinking water, from the outside. From Bhangor to Barasat, Barasat to Degonga, Degonga to Kolkata, Kolkata to North Bengal, North Bengal to Jungle Mahal, all area, South Bengal to North Bengal, Bardhaman to Birbhum. BJP, along with goons, started atrocities, and they think that some people may go for their bindings, but heartily they are not. And please remember that police is totally inactive. আমরা যখন প্রথম জিতেছিলাম আমি বলেছিলাম কারো উপর যেন কোনো অত্যাচার না হয়, বদল চাই, বদলা নয়। আমরা কিন্তু সিপিএমের একটা পার্টি অফিসে হাত দিইনি, আমরা কোনো অত্যাচার করিনি। আমি রবীন্দ্রসঙ্গীত আর নজরুল গীতি গাইতে দিয়েছিলাম। আর 3 দিন ধরে বিজেপি যে অত্যাচার করছে, সিআরপিএফ এটা জওয়ান্স বাহিনী না গুণ বাহিনী? আমি আমার নিজের কনস্টিটিউয়েন্সিতে দেখেছি, আমার অভিজ্ঞতা 100 জনকে মেরে তাড়িয়েছে যারা জিতছিল। এবার আপনাদের আমি বলি, আপনাদের একটা রোল সম্বন্ধে আমাদের অভিযোগ আছে। ইউ মে অ্যাকসেপ্ট, মে নট। After first round, you started saying BJP is getting 200, 195. You didn't wait up to the final result. Even you didn't wait to see the 5